Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Komal and today's video is going to be all about beginner's makeup kit. I know there are a lot of people out there who are completely new to the world of makeup, who are completely lost and confused when it comes to knowing what to buy, what not to buy and all of that. So this video is to help all of you guys out there. I will be giving you guys all affordable product choices because I know that as a beginner you do not want to go straight up and spend a lot of money when it comes to buying makeup. So with that being said, let's begin. But before that, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click on the little bell icon right next to it so that you are notified every time I upload something new. With that being said, let's quickly begin. So the first thing you need in your makeup kit is a very good moisturizing cream. Now I know that a moisturizer is not a part of makeup, but if you want any kind of makeup to look good on your face, you need perfectly hydrated skin. I have two moisturizers that I've been currently loving. The first one is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. Now I also spoke about this in my last video, which was the top 10 skincare products in India. And the other cream is by a brand called Anytime Hydration. Now the texture and the fragrance of both of these creams is absolutely amazing. The Garnier one retails for 275 rupees and this one by Anytime Hydration retails for 269 rupees. I bought this one online from Nykaa's website. You can pick and choose any one of these creams. So once you're done moisturizing your face, the second thing that you need to apply on your face is a primer. What a primer does is that it makes your makeup last longer. It diminishes any pores that you might have, and it also diminishes any fine lines and creates a very smooth base on your face for your foundation or your BB cream. So a primer is an absolute must-have in your makeup kit. The primer that I have been absolutely loving currently is the L'Oreal Base Magic Primer, but for some reason I just cannot find it in my drawer today, so I cannot show you the bottle. And how you apply a primer is just dab it all over your face and using your fingers just evenly spread it out all over your face. And if you have oily skin, just apply more of the primer on your T-zone or on areas where you are prone to get more oily. Step number 3 is using a foundation, or if you like to keep things light and natural, you can use a BB cream. So I will be giving you guys affordable options for both of these. For foundation, I suggest using Maybelline's Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. It comes with a pump applicator like this, and so it is pretty easy to use. It retails for 700 rupees and this foundation is the perfect blend of dewy and matte. It gives you a radiant glow without drying out your skin. So I absolutely love using this foundation. Now for people who need makeup but do not have the time to do makeup, they can go ahead and use a BB cream. The one that I suggest is by Maybelline again. It is the Clear Glow All-in-One BB Cream, and I'm in the shade Natural. So if you are anywhere close to my skin tone, you can also go ahead and buy the natural shade. This one retails for 250 rupees. The next product you need is a concealer to hide your under eye circles, to hide any redness, any kind of blemishes that are visible on your face. You can hide all of that by just using a concealer. So the product that I absolutely love is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This product blends like magic. It is my all-time favorite, and the one thing that I absolutely love about this one is its rollerball applicator, which makes it very easy to use. So once you're done with your concealer and foundation, the next thing you need is a setting powder. So what a setting powder does is that it prevents the makeup from setting into the fine lines on your face, and hence it prevents creasing. So the one that I use is by Makeup Revolution. It is their luxury banana powder, and I use a huge fluffy brush like this. Just a tip here is, if you are someone who has dry skin, do not use the powder all over your face. Just apply it on the T-zone of your face, which is prone to getting more oily. Now once you're done with powdering your face, you're done with the base makeup of your face, and after that you need to use a bronzer, otherwise your face will end up looking whitewashed and all in one color. Basically it will look very flat. So you need to use a bronzer so that you can add some definition to your face. Now one good product that I have for all the beginners out there is this Savannah Colors Bronzed Professional Palette. This is the bronzing shade. This darkest shade is for contouring and the lighter shade here is for highlighting. Now depending upon where you buy this product from, the price of this product keeps on changing, and I got it from the beauty center in Khar, and I got it for rupees 400. Now how I usually apply it is I use a fluffy brush again, and I swirl it over this bronzing shade, which is a little shimmery, but it works absolutely fine for me. And I apply it over the areas where I need to add color to my face, like my temple and also my cheeks. So now after bronzing comes contouring and highlighting. Now as a beginner, it is completely fine if you want to skip on contouring, because you need to learn how to contour before you start contouring. Otherwise you end up looking like a complete mess. Your face can look very muddy if you do not blend your contour right. It took me quite some time too. And if you know how to contour though, you can use this darkest shade from the same palette. And even as a beginner, you do not want to skip on highlighting. Trust me, it is such a rage, and I love myself a blinding highlight, if you can see. If you need something subtle and not like this, you can use the lightest shade from the same palette. And if you need something like this, then I suggest you use Makeup Revolution's Pro Illuminate palette. It retails for 850 rupees, and just one swirl of the brush into the pan is enough to give you a nice glow like this. And it becomes even more blinding if you use MAC Fix Plus or any kind of a makeup setting spray over this. Now moving on to eye makeup, you can use again the same bronzing shade that we use as your eyeshadow all over your eyelid. And to be honest, as a beginner, I never used any kind of makeup brushes to blend my eyeshadow. I just used one single shade, and I used my fingers to blend my eyeshadow completely nicely, so that it doesn't end up looking like someone has punched you in the face. Or if you need options for eyeshadows, you can go ahead and buy these Miss Claire single eyeshadow pots in colors of your choice. They are extremely affordable. I bought these for 80 rupees each. Now moving on to your eyebrows, ever since I started doing my eyebrows, I have only used one product, which is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. It has a pencil tip on one end, which can be used to fill in your brows, and it has a powder side tip on the other end. Also, because it comes with a sponge applicator, it can also be used as a smudger. This product is very affordably priced at rupees 245. Thing that I suggest is a kajal, which is very basic, and everybody absolutely needs to own at least a kajal, which can be used both as your kajal and your eyeliner, for which I suggest you buy Nykaa's Rock the Line Kajal. It is an intense deep black color, and here is a swatch. After your liner and kajal comes a mascara, for which I always suggest buying the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It is available in two versions. One is the waterproof one, and the other one is the washable one, which are both available at the same price of rupees 500. But I suggest that you buy the washable one because it is easier to take it off. Now the next product that comes to my mind is a blush, because it is absolutely necessary to give a nice flush of color to your cheeks. And my favorite drugstore blush has to be this one by Colorbar. It is the Luminous Rose Blush. It retails for 1200 rupees, which is slightly on the higher side, but trust me, it is absolutely worth it. It has a trio of these three beautiful cute pink shades, which can be used individually, or you can mix all three together and apply it like I do. Moving on to the second last product that you need to have in your makeup kit are lipsticks. Now there are literally 1,000 brands, 1,000 shades to choose from, and depending on your skin tone, depending on your price range, you can choose whichever lipstick that you like. But for me, it is an absolute must-have to always have a nudie brown in my kit, and also a deep dark red in my makeup kit. So for a nudie brown shade, I love Velvet Teddy by MAC. And also a nice bright red color that I've been recently loving is by Sugar Cosmetics from its Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick range. The shade name is called Drop Dead Red, and here are the two swatches. This one is Velvet Teddy by MAC, and this one is the Drop Dead Red by Sugar Cosmetics. So the last and final product that you need to have in your kit is a makeup setting or a makeup fixing spray. The one that I suggest buying is the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Fixing Spray. I got this for 850 rupees from Nykaa's website, and this setting spray is perfect for people like me who need an extra glow even after applying shitloads of highlighter. So that pretty much completes my entire video. I hope this video is useful to all the beginners out there, because as beginners we are all lost and confused. So if you found this video to be even a little bit of use, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.